Hello dear, welcome to my factory. These are already packaged machineries, alcohol pad machine. And if you buy the alcohol pad machine, the package will be like this. 1, 2, 3. They make different kinds of machineries. Go inside and look around. Here you can see for machinery in manufacturing. And here, wet tissue machine, wet wipes machine, big bags. This one is big size wipe, 4-side sealing. And here, all of these are alcohol pad machine. Nylon fabric. Here, loading, go inside. Here for cutting and liquidating, side sealing, cutting.